Here is man as he envisions himself in the space age.
Yo, we flying through your neighborhood at hyperspeed. Astral traveling off that hydro weed. I always keep my wings on deck, smoking loud.
Yo, anyway, every day, yo, I spark the loud.
I'm never hitting no coke, that's no joke. Yo, I don't poke needles in my veins, going for broke. Strictly haze for days, traveling higher. While petty people stand, wonder why I'm so wired. Cause we astral traveling, smoking sticky green. Then we mental, over my lip instrumentals. Pull out the water tool, I got the water jewels on the level. Then all the negatives settle. Tranquility, but still on the rugged. Like a gentle giant, a plug, token on blood. Man, I get so high, I hope I don't start babbling. We astral traveling.
You know what's out there. Yo, you know what's out there.
Pass that and watch quads dip fast.
You know what's out there.
We flying through your neighborhood at hyperspeed. Astral traveling off that hydro weed. Yeah, I always keep my wings on deck, smoking loud.
Yo, every day anyway, yo, I spark the loud.
I'm never hitting no coke, that's no joke. Y'all no poke, needles in my veins, I don't be going for broke. Strictly haze for days, traveling higher. While petty people stand, wonder why I'm so wired. Cause we astral traveling, smoking sticky green. Then we mental, over mad lip instrumentals. Pull out the water tool, I got the water jewels on the level. Then all the negatives echo. We astral traveling.
It's time to say farewell for a while to the world of tomorrow that we've just explored. It's our hope that each time you take the tour on this record, you'll relive the excitement of monumental achievement of our time that will be a lasting legacy for the citizens of tomorrow.